Alright guys, got an old 2000 I think Pontiac Grand Prix GT. It's getting water in the trunk. Never mind this mess, it's not my car. But anyway, it's getting water in the trunk. I found a couple places it's getting in. Around this stud on the taillights. Not as bad over here, but you can definitely see corrosion there where it's been getting in. There was a bunch of crap in this channel. I need to keep that cleaned out. But the major place is up here. Look at the corrosion on these studs. These are nice. I got that one off already. But this is definitely where water's coming in. That's what holds this wing on the back. So we're gonna take that off, clean it up, put some silicone on it. The deck lid is pretty rusty. I actually noticed a spot in here too. Hopefully that AC is not too loud. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take all these nuts out, pull that wing off, clean this up, put some silicone on it. It's all nasty. So here we go. As you can see, got it off there, and look at all the stuff that's getting in here. I'm gonna clean all this off. Look, these studs didn't even come out. They're rusted off the wing. Kind of sucks. These little bones made into them. I'm gonna crack that one a little bit, but we'll glue it all back down. Get her cleaned up. We got it cleaned up pretty good. See the old seal. I'm gonna take this razor blade, clean that piece off, clean that piece off. I'm gonna lay a really nice bead of some adhesive silicone on here just from your home store, and then bolt it back on. Okay. Once again, I apologize about the air conditioner, but there I laid down a good bead, went around the studs. I'm gonna set this down on here and tighten it down. Put a little dab around those bolts that I suspect are leaking as well in the taillights. Let's get her done. Got it down on there, silicone in there. I wiped off most of the excess. Looks like I need to do some more over here. So I had a couple of these studs that stripped out. So I ran a self-tapper there. I ran two here, real short ones. Pull this down real good and tight. Got the tail lights back in. They're tight. I see the silicone around there. So there you go. Hopefully that'll help you out. The old Grand Prix water in the trunk. Get out there and fix something.